everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. So today we're going to be making these spicy and cheesy noodles. So let's begin. So in a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. You can also add 1 or 2 cloves of garlic if you want to. Keep the flame medium and saute this for 1 minute. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped onion, saute the onion until it changes its color. Now add 1 medium-sized chopped tomato and saute this for further 1 minute. Now add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Make sure not to add more than that because the noodles may get spicier and unbearable to eat. Now cover the pan for about a minute. As you can see, the tomatoes have become soft. Give it a good mix. And add half teaspoon of oregano. Mix it again. Now add 1.5 cups of water. Keep the flame medium throughout. Now add 1 packet of noodles. Mix them until the noodles get fully boiled. Add 5 to 6 slices of capsicum and the taste maker you get with the noodle packet. You can use any flavor you want to. Mix them well. Now cover the pan again for a minute. As you can see, the water has dried out. We only need this much amount of water. Now it's time to add the cheese. You can add as much cheese as you want to. I'm using a little bit of cheese. Now this is completely optional, but you can also add a tablespoon of cream to make the noodles saucy and creamy. In the end, add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder and mix it well. So our noodles are finally ready. If you like this recipe, don't forget to give a huge thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.